Hello everybody, Mike here. We have the 4-slice stainless steel toaster just delivered. Popular product on Amazon. Here's some of the features. Built-in warming rack. That's 3 smart functions, 6 shade settings, and it's 120 volts. So go ahead and unbox this and take a look.
All right, so we have the 6 mode settings: golden brown, dry out, dark brown. It's up to you. Also, very unique, we have a little cooling rack that you can pop up. Toast is too hot, let it cool off a little bit. You have the breadcrumb tray, pops right out. You can dump that out because toast kind of creates a lot of the crumbs. Right? There is the button, power button, push it down, start. There are your 6 modes. And then also you have the buttons to cancel, reheat, and then defrost. There. So this is a nice stainless steel toaster. Pretty sleek, so it won't take up too much room and it's not too heavy as well. So we'll go ahead and put some toast in there and test it out.
All right, so we have a piece of toast. Personally, I like golden. So we're gonna do number 4. Okay, we'll put that in there. Push it down. And then push this. Right, and then go to 4. Here we have it, all done. You can take it out. Warm it until it cools off a little bit. Right, and here is where it says golden. That looks pretty darn close. Tell this thing puts out some good heat. There it is. Toast ready to be eaten. Very nice toaster, a popular product on Amazon. We'll give it one last look. Rack button, and this is where you push it down. Overall, nice toaster. Thanks for watching.